Hi everyone. I'm sorry I'm doing this too late today, but had no time. But let's start. Okay, let's see what we have. So we had discussed last week that we might have some bounce because there was some positive setup that we had, and now the setups have gone. So let's see what we now have in place. Okay, so we had support levels till 17,150, and all of this have been broken. Okay, even 37,300 has been broken. We are at 36,000, and everything else has been uh, gone down as well. So suddenly the market has changed the direction. Okay, but still that we are open in the game. We are already shorted bank in Nifty short in top bottom. Maruti we booked some 20,000 profit on Friday, and Bank Nifty we were not able to get the trade. Now understand one thing: top bottom. If you are following the system, as per the system, the first 15-minute rules was in place, but we never got an entry into Bank Nifty. So that's fine. It's okay to miss a trade, and we made already 100% plus returns this year on Bank Nifty trades in top bottom. So we don't need to worry on that, right? So losing one trade or missing one trade is okay, right? We can ignore that. But now let's see where we can get a new entry. Okay, so let's start with Nifty. Nifty has fallen below the actual support level of 17,150, which shows that we might now have some more fall in Nifty for sure. Now, the target that Nifty can go down to, okay, it can be as low as 16,740, or you can say 16,750 is the first target. Okay, immediate target is that. Second target would be 16,500. So these are the two levels where Nifty can go down. And now that we are also below 60 on weekly, we might now see this weekly also 16,500, and below that we might come down till 15,850. So weekly shows more bearishness. If we break 16,500, another 700 points is what you can think on Nifty. And yes, now we are below the shooting star low of last month, and that is where you can see it. Again, the volumes on this are not great. Okay, so I won't be surprised if there is a sharp reversal. See, this all things are related to the vibrant, the new thing that is coming up in the market. Okay, so maybe I wouldn't be surprised if it touches some panic low and there is a restart of a fresh rally. Okay, so 17,000 once broken, and I think it will be broken tomorrow itself. Okay, we might see 16,500 very soon. So that is one level in Nifty that you can see, and the other level that it can come down is around 16,000 and 15,800. So this is 15,850 becomes the another level, which is around this level. There is a cap up here on monthly, weekly, as well as daily. So 15,850 somewhere what I place Nifty. Now let's see what that comes to a fib level from the last rise in Nifty also. So let me go to Fibonacci. So if you take from this level till this, okay, this is 61%, 850. 16,300 or 16,500. So this is 16,340, 362. So that is around 16,500. That is 50%. They are already at 38%, 16,900. 16,900 तो कल खुलते में ही दिखाएगा शायद. Okay, so that is where we are already there with Nifty as well. Okay, so you can expect it to come down as low as this. So I am considering this as my base. Okay, so 14,200 is my base. With respect to that, 60%, 61% comes around to 15,500 is the area. Okay, Now let's write up. So let me quickly write that. So let me do this for 29th of November, 052. So daily bandwalk started. First bearish range shift and below fall. So all the PRDs have failed, none confirmed. So now no more bullishness for some time. Okay, so weekly below 60 and below 20 mm. Okay. For the first time, I think after 6 months, I will be removing this line. No inbuilt bearishness yet. Okay, monthly is below last month shooting star. And yes, so bearishness seen now. Okay, so removing this now, resistance will be 17. Let's go here. 17,300 is the first resistance. $17,700, which is the support here, becomes the second resistance. And then it will make 18,200. That is now going to be the past. Now, the first support that we see $16,900. Again 16,500. उसके बाद छूटा तो सीधा 850. So panic button. Remember one thing, fall is always massive and faster. Okay, so don't panic, follow top bottom and should be fine. Let's see, Bank Nifty also the same. Lower bandwalk started, range shift, everything is the same. Here also 20 MA along with 60 broken, and there is a bearish engulfing at 60 support, which I think will be broken. So there will be no 60 support. Okay, it has some support at 35,700. That is the first support, 34,200 then. So 34,800. So you are looking for a bigger fall. 33,900 or 34,000 possible on bank. 34,800 here as well. 34,000 here as well. So let's see what now the market does. The same in Nifty, Bank Nifty. So I'm just copying, saving some time to type. So PRD को फेल कर दिया. इसने तो पूरी कुंडली बदल दी है। So, this one immediate support right now. 35,650. Four seventy. Let's quickly see the other indices. Nifty IT at 40 support. It is still looking decent, but here there is a fall. Four six nine six. Daily bearish candle and yes, so now we have okay daily bearish candle at 40 support actually. This will have to see what happens at 40. And that support. Whatever we are seeing, we are able to write. Bearish candle at 16. Shooting star indicated the chances of 4 divergence. So ये और भी खतरनाक है शूटिंग स्टार के सामने so, let's make it as a surface. He also has a shooting star and monthly, so this looks really the same here. So this already had a 4 bar bearish divergence and see this. Okay, so I think this will have some further fall, and even this is a little bit in tension. Going down. And see this. So down, going down. So good. FMCG क्या बोलता है, let's see. FMCG monthly with 60 support, so we have a week to go. No, sorry, 2 to 3 days to go. This shows some beautiful thing. So we still expect this much for FMCG also a candidate to be short. So yes, this can be the target. 34,800 is the target for FMCG. Bandwalk started. So कहीं भैंस पानी में बुल वाली भैंस गई पानी में, मैं आ गया ऊपर. 7,550. Strange shift. Very strange shift. Very strange shift. What भी कर रहा है ना. Flag setup. Setup with target of target. Yeah. एक हल्की उम्मीद शायद 60 सपोर्ट लेंगे, but I doubt. That is where FMCG is gone. Let's see something else. I said to see fix also. ये क्या है? ओह, हम पे ये किसने हरा रंग डाला? देखा? ये यही मार्केट है जो ऊपर जाएगा. तो क्योंकि वापस आया मौसम वायरस. So pharma is getting some good. इसकी तो साजिश नहीं. Hammer at 40 support. So yes, monthly hammer at 60 support and CIP. See this. So now pharma will rise. Okay. 15,800 पे लेके गए इसका ये लोग अभी. ये 14,200 which is the all-time high. Okay, sorry, 15,000 मारा प्रीवियस वापस, but I think previous high is this. 14,000 के ऊपर में 200 के ऊपर में जैसे जाएगा ना, it will start rising. So I think pharma is looking strong. Let's see the stocks also. Below 60 yet, but I think there is a good 40 crossover with 40 crossover with the bullish candle. Yeah, May 20. Okay. Weekly hammer at 30. Hammer. बच्चा का बड़ा हो गया. 50 and lower band support, monthly price and 60 support at CIP. So monthly also hammer at price and 60 support at CIP. लो कर लो का साफ साजिश फार्मती है। अब देखा जाए, let's see our VIX as well. Okay. See, this has already gone through that fall and everything. Now we need to see what it does the next. Okay. इसका टारगेट भी हो गया मेरे हिसाब से। ऑटो सेक्टर शुड गेट सैचुरेटेड द फॉल इट इज डन। सो एम का टारगेट भी हो गया है। Okay, so we'll have to see whether it gets support around 10,450. Yes, that is maybe, you know, we may have one more takeoff from. So ये सेक्टर भी थोड़ा अभी डिसेंट है। ओके, सो लेट्स सी। ये सेक्टर का 1000 पॉइंट निकल गया। 11,750 अभी 10,750 है। बैड। So 4 बार PID तो कुछ नहीं, सब PID को दिखाया। Okay, so daily is at below 40 and there is some bearish one. I think bandwalk BAS. Is at 20 in the support, but support broken. Support big red. Big red. Just so now let's see the मुझे VIX देखना है। पर आपको VIX बता देता हूँ VIX क्या कर रहा है। Now see this. The beauty again rises. Okay, so on a daily basis, VIX had formed last week. Joe, okay, it had a see this type of situation. Okay, it went into a squeeze. A burst. Okay, so now there can be another burst. Okay, but I doubt we might not have a bigger burst. So we might have VIX going up at least in 13. Okay, और ये 30 भी गया तो अपना हमारे लिए तो मुश्किल खड़ी कर देगा, बिकॉज 30 तक जाते जाते मार्केट को काफी गिरा के जाएगा। Okay, and now again I think we will start seeing that 1,000 points movement every day in BankNifty. Okay, so there will be a swing of 1,000 at least. So can be a good earning point for day traders also. Positional traders will be also benefited, but they need to hold their mouse. Okay, there will be day trading opportunities, lot of day trading opportunities, but the only trick is move out quickly with small profits. Do not wait for big profits. Okay, this VIX is showing us that it is already above the limit that we expect for a stable market. It has already made the market volatile, and the volatility is going to increase by 10 points. We are expecting a 50% rise in volatility. So that's where you will have a swing of 1,000 to 1,200 points on Bank Nifty, maybe 200 to 50 points on Nifty, and that will show you, a huge momentum or movement in the market. Right? So be very careful. Day trading has to be done with strict stop loss. Also, you need to start making small profits and get out. Okay, so mainly the only thing is, if you are invested, be invested. Don't panic, because market will rebound as it did last year also. Okay, so there is nothing that it is going to be more bad, but for a time being, it will test your patience. Okay, so that's what market is saying right now. Let's go to the stocks now. So I think mainly we'll see our short trades today. I'm not expecting any buy except pharma. Now this is a straight away short. Okay. This is looking good. So first trade is ACC. So the first sell is sell below 5. Complete. So next to short. Oh, I would not go for any buy though. Balance is looking okay. What of that I don't think. Go down. 5, Reliance actually still looks to be a buy to me. हाँ, ये मार्केट में मेरे को कुछ बाय नहीं करना है। थोड़ा सेटलमेंट होने दो उसके बाद सोचो सब लो, सब लो। We got no fantastic the last week. Said it's a good shot and see how it is falling. तो एंट्री नहीं हो रहा है, I think मंडे को ही वो शॉर्ट ट्रिगर होके टारगेट भी दे दिया उसने। I think so. Testing of high was done and 60 resistance and then the fall started in Maruti. Maruti can touch 7,000 by the way. This can be touched. यहाँ से वो एक bounce मारना चाहिए. Which this hammer will be retested. It has got a values. There is also a gap support here. You can expect Maruti to go down till 6960 and then bounce. ऑटो इतना बुरा नहीं दिख रहा है भाई तो ये कल खाली टाइम पास करके ऊपर आने का चांसेस है. See the chart. Okay. Sure. So there is a bullish divergence as well. By the way. So as I said, auto and pharma are looking decent. So there can be, some buying done on those sectors and see right now also we are seeing the charts. Okay, they are looking decent. The market, aha, look at escorts. It has got a flag set up and it can go to a target of 2000 now. So ये सब चीज को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. This will keep going. Okay, so escorts is also looking beautiful. So as I said, auto sector and pharma might not get anything. So now let's see. So something देखा and auto देखा. Let's see FMCG first and Unilever. इसमें कोई स्कोप है, नीचे जाने की स्कोप है इसको। See where the hammer retested है, okay, and it is at the support but it didn't went through. So now Indian will also give a way down. ना जाएगा देख लेते हैं। ज़्यादा नहीं है स्पेस है इसमें। 2300 टूटा तो बढ़ा जाएगा, नहीं तो नहीं। 2300 टूटा तो सीधा 2200 तो 100 रुपये नीचे जाएगा। See, it has been resisting 40 on daily and there is small this thing. Okay, but then there is a support immediately, so I am not shorting things. इसमें भी bullish divergence है, I will avoid. I will avoid all this bullish divergence because they will need confirmation before you do anything. So avoid this also. Okay. But what I see is it has got bearish. See this. This was the support. First time resisted and a shooting star. So if the low breaks, go binda short. So the low is this. There is a gap set out here. So immediately after 35.15 you can short it for 34.50. So there is almost say 60-70 rupees in this trade, and then it can retest this gap 34.34. There is some, I'm avoiding it because it also has got some bullish pattern. FMCG को छोड़ दिया जाए, अभी आईटी को देखते हैं, बाद में बैंकिंग देखते हैं। ECS, it's doji at 40 resistance and 20 MA resistance and price support, so that you like this. Which one will be short? Chart, दोनों साइड है, but I would prefer to go short. Short is below 34.1. नहीं जाने का, price support ये नहीं. See this is where it is. Enjoying a good support. ट्रेंड लाइन उठेगा, इसको ब्रेक करने को उसको बाद में चलेगा। मंडे को नहीं लेंगे तो ट्यूसडे को या तब लेंगे। It needs to close about 35.21 for a fresh buy in this. That influences also. Even IT was at support. I think it was at 40 support. Right? Daily bearish comes at 40 in price and lower than support. Oh. So this ये make a break है, इसको break करने हैं तो बाद में देखेंगे. Okay? You can't expect it to break and then stay, because see this is where it is supported. अच्छा अच्छा, हमको लल्लू बना. यहाँ पे भी बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस है, सिर्फ 3 बार बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस है इसमें, तो जाने दो इसको, जाने दो मिल जाएगा. Mr. Reddy, what are you to see 3 बार बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस, फिर एक बड़ा डोजी, उसके बाद सी ब्रेकआउट. इसके लिए मैं बोला जाने दो. सी ये हमारा शॉर्ट भी ट्रिगर करता था, ये शॉर्ट इसके नीचे है, तो ये डोजी का लो देखो, उसके नीचे जाके फिर ऊपर में बंद होता है, और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट डे तो जूम करके लेके गया. So this was a doji at 40 resistance. See this. इसका 37.59 is the RSI. So it seems to be like, you know, a flag setup and below 40. And then eventually next day, zoom. Okay, so that's why I'm avoiding. This is a sample why, you know, मैं पहले के trades ना बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है. बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस भी है उसमें और सपोर्ट भी है और मार्केट बेरिश दिख रहा है, बट मैं बेरिश के हिसाब से शॉर्ट ट्रेड दूंगा और ये यहाँ पे अटकाएगा. सो सेम थिंग डॉक्टर रेड्डी की जैसे ही पैटर्न एक्चुअली आप देखोगे तो इन्फोसिस ने भी दिखाया, HCL टेक ने भी बताया है एंड TCS ने भी बताया. सो IT might see a, you know, pullback tomorrow. If there is a pullback, you can buy. Or if it shows, you know, there is a fall, then start selling. तब तक कुछ मत करो. I think just avoid and enjoy top bottom. That is what you can do. अभी इसमें तो एंट्री है नहीं अपने को. हाई के ऊपर में एंट्री है, but there is a resistance there. See, ये हाई का reason is this. See this resistance, this resistance, this resistance. So from here it is not much. यहाँ तक आके उठा जाएगा, कुछ बड़ा नहीं मिलेगा. थोड़ा लेट्स सी. अरे बाप रे, ये क्या है? अरे वाइब्रेंट लाने वाले यही लोग हैं क्या? देखो बड़ा बड़ा कैंडल से इसमें फ्राइडे का और वाह. Hmm. It got halted at a gap resistance. So ये गैप को भरेगा तभी इसमें है. इश्यूज तो सब जगह. सेम थिंग, इसमें भी 3 बार बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस था and then see it went up. So that is how, you know, it is. So let's see now what happens. Okay. आपको खाली 3 मिल रहा है. Reliance actually is a buy. I'm not giving it. Market might have a breakdown and then we might have to research the new levels. Let's see क्या होता है. Okay, I think I will stop here, but let's see. Let's do some. See, this is signaling a new uh, breakdown in HDFC Bank. It might come down to 1475, but there is not much weak here because अगर आप देखो तो उसका low और close almost same है. So I would avoid this because there is no entry now and it is approaching 40 on weekly. बोला 1470 के आसपास में शॉर्ट है एंड 1450. सो 20 रुपीज का कुछ ट्रेड बनेगा. ये टूटा तो झड़ा पड़ा. 1451. So wait for the month to be over. It will tell us a direction also. Expect 1450 to be touched. हाँ तो ये कल ही टच करेगा. 40 रुपए इसके लिए कुछ पड़ेगा. Only HDFC is also short. Okay. Price support currently, so let's see what it does. Okay, so some bearish is now triggering into the market. So some retracement expected in this week as well. Okay. Thanks everyone. We will again share the video next weekend. Some beautiful thing which I saw today from my house. Let me show you something. One picture. Show you that. See this. There are peacocks outside the house. You can see these two peacocks here. So this was something beautiful thing I saw. I think I can show you something for which I'm here. I shared it a few days back again on this group. Thanksgiving बीच में कुछ था. Yeah. This is the temple for which I'm here actually. Phone is not connected. Send it directly from my phone actually, so maybe it's not much visible here. Let's bandwidth is lower right now. Okay, I'll share new pictures. Okay, guys, thank you everyone, and have a happy trading hours tomorrow and that time.